Hey, welcome back, everybody. I got you another video. Now, in this video here, the sound quality is not the best. And also, apparently, there was only one body cam going on that boat that day. But anyway, so this happened on 4/28 of 2024 in Palm Beach County. No, it's not a Boca Bash. But anyway, so what happened was the FWC stopped this vessel for a safety inspection, and they brought the captain on board and did the usual sobriety test. But during the process of it, the FWC officer actually said, that if he's not signal one, go ahead and let him go. But also, I really appreciate the FWC and being as kind as they are to this gentleman. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
What this? It's coming back never found on both the DL and the registration number. I'm betting that because inlets doesn't always communicate right, I'm betting that's probably what it is. So if he ain't signal one, then send them on their way.
91 India, reference insufficient DOD. 8227, 82.
Oh! Hey! Slow.
He's like on his phone, yeah.
8234, good. Lima to good.
What do you think? 19 foot?
Actually, 19 month.
Nice. Sometimes I get it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You guys don't have sergeant? We have all officers.
Close your eyes, put your head back at 40 back
How does that work?
If I say right, you're going to go up. Back to your side. If I say left, so I just want to be clear.
Gotcha.
This is the end of your index finger.
So lieutenant's like a
This is
sergeant.
the pad. I want
So
you to
lieutenant's a sergeant.
So lieutenant's a sergeant.
So like in New York, they have like sergeant, left arm first, right? Lou is like.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Just
You only see Lou in the house.
Yeah, some departments have
ready to begin.
sergeant, but our department has a lieutenant, and lieutenant's kind of like a sergeant.
Oh, you guys
I said, close your eyes.
We're state officers,
95 degrees. There you go. Left.
You guys are way, like, I was telling her, like, in New York, like, state trooper, like, well,
I'm going to tell you one at a time, all right? I'm going to do one thing, and I'm going to take notes, all right?
yes, sir. Yeah,
Everybody,
they're smokers. And it's like, well, you have to go to
Start
court
again,
with these guys.
Keep your eyes closed the whole time. Unless I tell you otherwise.
And you're like,
Right.
are you, but those guys, it's like a couple, and they're like,
Left.
everybody's like, you're super couple.
You guys are all New York?
I mean, I think after about a year ago, she's from, that's from Orlando.
Right.
But not like the city, we're from upstate, we're from, yeah, we're from the mountains. We're in the night truck.
I'm just reading it off this.
I got you, I've gone back in a few years.
Hey, take your time. We're not in a hurry.
Well, upstate New York is like the gem, like it's so famous.
And keep your eyes closed. Head back. And
City
left.
is,
City stuff, yeah.
You can relax.
you been out here your whole life?
I was born in New Orleans. Came here when I was a year old.
Oh, you're from NOLA?
Yeah, my parents are Cuban. My parents came over from Cuba and went to so I'm a
Next one we do is called a palm back. I want you to take what you're doing to the side. I'm going to do my left because my right.
I retired for you.
Stand out for your
I like
chest.
Delray.
Until you begin, I'm going to have you feel one hand. Count out loud 1. Turn back over. Count out loud 2. There you go. Like this.
Someone to stay, but I won't stay.
1, 2, 1, 2. As you stop. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, stop. Now what I want you to do is make sure your clap, crisp, fully over, rolling or chopping out. Gotcha.
Like here's
Understand those directions?
multi-million-dollar scams.
I can explain them again.
Yeah. Top, bottom, top, bottom.
One hand, I want you to flip it over, and then the other hand's going to you're just going to turn one over, hand over, and flip
I was like,
it
who's buying a pair of Jordans?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
Oh, yeah.
2, and then speed up.
Like,
Hand out.
basically, the buying Jordans.
Here we go.
Ready? I think I know who you are.
I'm ready.
But no, I mean,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'm doing everything officers ask me.
Alright, next thing we're going to do is called a hand coordination task, okay? What I'll do is make a fist with both your hands, take your left hand and put it in the center of your chest, right hand over the center. There's going to be 4 tasks. The first one's going to be like this. You're going to count out loud 1 to 4 while you move your hands back and forth, step like that. Touch your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap your hands 3 times. And return to that memorized position. You're going to count from 5 to 8 while moving your hands backwards and step like that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand goes back to your chest. Task forward, both your hands. You understand, or I can explain again?
I mean, I think that was like, do that again?
I'll explain it one time. There's 4 separate tasks. The first one, left hand goes to the center of your chest, right hand goes on top. Stay in that memorized position. You're going to count from 1 to 4 while moving your hands forward in a step-like fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta clap your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn your hands in that memorized position.
so where I'm from,
Count from 5 to 8 while moving your hands in a
you gotta like burn it.
step fashion like this. 5,
You go
6,
through your
7, 8. Take your left hand to the center of your chest.
because it's
Task
not
forward,
like
move your hands
here
to
when
the
you're
left.
like 10 years on. Yeah, 10 years more. Then it's like, all right, now you can think so. Now you can think.
We have some water. As soon as you come out of the academy, you throw the water.
On you.
Really? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they're lakes. Right. So like you gotta be like, you have to like claps to get this detail.
1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the chest. Hands.
Appreciate your
I mean,
That's not bad.
It's not about like.
Mr. Mackey, what's your
got it.
that's traditional spelling, J-O-H-N.
Yes, sir.
And what's your date of birth?
1869.
You got the registration numbers.
I've got the permit number, but Inlets hadn't brought anything back from it yet.
Alright, but you've had too much to drink to operate a boat. You're operating a boat and stuff. The busiest weekend in Palm Beach County is today.
Yes, sir.
You want me to drive it?
Yeah, we'll talk about it in a second. You're going to be going into custody today for boating under the influence in the state of Florida. Off everything I've seen. You will have an opportunity to give a breath sample that determines the alcohol content. There's a lot of things that you just be really honest with you. Appreciate you being cooperative so far. We're going to continue to be cooperative as long as you allow us to.
But we have to do what we have to do.
I have to only so I gotta work at
Then you're in custody.
Yes, sir. All right. You good sitting right there for a little bit?
What's that?
Are you good sitting right there for a second?
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody that you'd like to drive the boat?
Scotty's fine. Or,
Is he the best one?
Frank.
Scotty, you had anything to drink today? Yeah, a couple of lights. Are you good to operate?
Yeah.
We'll check you out before you go, just make sure we're better with you. How much further you guys got to go? 10 minutes. Northbound?
Back to Gateway.
I'll get one. (8123) 23-1, reference 61 Bravo.
Mr. Mackey, speak to them at all real quick.
Well, I gotta go get a shirt.
Yeah, probably I'm gonna go ahead and let you get a shirt on before I gotta put a PFD on you and some other things, but I'm gonna be very cooperative with you. You gotta stay right there.
These are in the bag.
You have your phone?
Sure, he doesn't have his wallet on board with his ID.
Take this. No, there's no wallet.
Okay.
My keys are in there though, so you guys get back to the house.
7 o'clock. Gun club.
I have no idea. I mean, this is all new to me. Oh yeah. No idea. You know where you're going? Yeah. Straight back? Alright. Whatever.
He'll be able to bond out in about 8 hours. You want my spares? Yes.
Mr. Egan, I'll definitely assist you if you need a little bit of a pain.
Putting these on since I was in grade school.
Not quite as easy as a ski jacket, but that's good. If you want to stand up full face away, I didn't want to do that in front of your. My policy is you got to put your hands on your back. You got a watch on your left hand.
Yes,
So try not to bang it up, okay?
Hold on just a second. We're double lock them just so they don't cinch down on you.
Just have a seat real easy. Alright, so we're going to roll back down here about 5 minutes. And then we'll get working.